Look what came in the mail! If we wanted to have a hook. And we're gonna do an unboxing.
That was so fun!
Woo! Oh my gosh. Official Disney mail. It's even from Celebration, Florida. Oh my gosh, first class. And on the front, the Disney Wish seal. Oh my gosh, for the christening for the christening cruise. Oh my gosh, it's happening. I love you put your ears on for this.
Duh, I'm excited to see what we got. Oh.
Oh my gosh, what is a lantern?
Yes. So we got some Disney Wish. We got some Anna and Elsa. We heard that there's like a Frozen themed restaurant.
Yes.
There's some Marvel. We got some Spider-Man, some Black Panther.
Yes.
Is this Ant-Man in the back?
Yeah, looks like it.
We heard there's a Marvel themed restaurant.
Looks like
That's
that.
very exciting.
Captain Minnie. And some Star Wars.
Star Wars. There's a Star Wars themed bar, I think. Tangled. They're doing the full musical, like the book musical of Tangled.
No.
That's a lie. And the Wish. How exciting. Tell me more. Now I'm going to read the official letter that they sent us.
Oh my gosh.
I think Mickey wrote this himself.
Oh boy.
Exactly. Get ready to set sail. A new story is beginning, and we're excited that you'll be a part of it. We look forward to welcoming you on the exclusive christening cruise on the Disney Wish, the newest addition to the Disney Cruise Line fleet. During this unforgettable 3-night voyage to the Bahamas, you'll be among the first to experience the fantastical worlds and beloved characters from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars as they come to life like never before. In the meantime, please enjoy this special wishing lantern, a nod to Rapunzel, who wanted to see the floating lights, and who now appears on the Disney Wish stern. Oh right, she's like the very front of the ship. I forgot about that. Created for the christening cruise invitees like you.
So they gave us a little QR code to make this lantern come alive, and we're gonna show it to you all. Loading. Lay your smartphone on a flat surface with the screen facing up. Place the paper lantern on top of your smartphone and enjoy. Okay, I think it's time to dim the lights. I'm gonna make it as dark as I possibly can.
We do have a circle light on.
It's pretty dark. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, so cool.
How fun. That was so fun!
So we found out on our call that there is a pirate night on our ship. So we are currently going through some of our costumes from the Magic Monday series to find the perfect outfit to wear on Pirate Night on the Disney Cruise. These were costumes that our friend Molly designed that were they're all layered up, but these were for the ruffians in the Tangled section of our Magic Mondays Sucked into Disney Plus video, which if you haven't seen, we'll link that at the end. Lots of fun costumes. She sewed fur onto all of them, and they're actually all layered, but we got out the most piratey looking ones.
I'm gonna try them on.
All right, good luck. And with the Pirate Night costume surge, packing for our Disney cruise has officially begun. I can't believe it. Yeah, he's trying them on in the background. Ooh, scandalous. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, Clay. What are we feeling? I like the detail on this.
Me too. I feel like it's the most,
I'm gonna slide by because it's blurry. It's blurry.
I feel like it's the most costumey.
Yeah.
Without it just feeling like it's a Henley.
Yeah.
With the stuff that Molly like sewed on the fur. For the other ones, I feel like those look more ruffian. Like ruffians have fur. I know that's like a made up thing, but
like, not fur
versus pirates.
Yeah.
Pirates don't feel furry to me. They're in the water. They're on the water.
They're nautical.
Yeah, so they can't get fur wet.
This one kind of has a similar like string situation there, but I remember the cuffs that Molly got. She paired them with on the arms. They're kind of tight though, because I didn't loosen the strings. The other one was looser. I tried it on earlier. Well, I'll try the other one on. Like how easy that's. But they're kind of like, so I think I might wear, they're kind of I mean, a lot of sense. Wait, hold on just a second. I'll be right back. There is another fun block. Remember these? These were our Gus and Jacques hats from Magic Monday. So you have to watch the video, it's great. My Bert hat. There are some Viking type hats, but there's also some belts in here if we wanted to add some more, those are shoulder pads, shoulder like protectors. But I think there's also, isn't there a hook somewhere? Oh yeah, right here. If we wanted to have a hook, here we have an option.
Where are we coming from?
The PO box. These are filled with packages from you all. You all spoil us. We're so excited to see what you've sent. We're excited. It's been a few weeks since we've checked the PO box because I've been away with Hamilton, but I'm back for a couple days and we're gonna do an unboxing. Ding, 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 ding. We're giving you McDonald's colors. We're giving you like ketchup and mustard.
Mmm, yum. Look at this cute Love Pop card from Sherry.
Thank you, Sherry. With a sweet handwritten note. Thank you so much for your support over the years. It's meant so much to us. We appreciate it, and happy Pride to you.
Thanks, Sherry.
Ooh, I think I see something from our Amazon wish list. Yes. Cute. Yes. We put this on the list for our upcoming Disney cruise, so you will see me wearing this on the vlog, or maybe Clay wearing it. Best day ever. How cute is that?
Cute.
Thank you, Sherry. We appreciate it. Ooh, swim trunks. Yes. We need a new swim trunks for our vacation.
I know.
So, really cute. I had this pair in a different color at our wedding weekend. I think that's gonna look great on you. It's kind of hard to open, actually.
Cute.
Did you see it on the wish list?
I did. It says,
I am Moana.
if you haven't seen the Olaf shorts, it's a very cute segment on Disney Plus, so check that out.
Yeah, it's really fun. And there's a frozen meal experience, like a dinner situation on the Disney cruise ship. So I put a couple Olaf things because Olaf's my favorite. And we both love the Olaf shorts so much.
So cute.
I mocked the lady. Yes, another pair of swim shorts. Thank you so much. We're so excited. Thank you for everyone who's sending stuff to our PO box. We really appreciate it. And now we're gonna have like the best gear for vacations. Vacation. I'm thrilled. Ooh, that's a fun one. I can't tell what that is.
Can't either.
Sometimes when you get the box, you can kind of shake it, maybe here, but I don't know. Yes! Okay. Some people are sending Clay Reese's on these snacks that he loves. And you know, on the vlog that I talk about how I love some healthier snacks, and I love the berry RX bars. These are my favorite. So thank you for sending these to our PO box. I was gonna say we appreciate it, but that's a lie. I appreciate it so much. And these will literally be gone in like half a week. So thank you. There was no note with this, but the package says it's from Christina Thompson, so no relation. So thank you so much, Christina. We appreciate it. As I said, I appreciate it. It's kind of a fun one. It goes.
That sounds like Lego.
Or maybe it's a food item too. For
Thank you to whoever sent Chris the RX bars.
Oh my, no way.
Reese's
Wait.
with potato chips in them. I've
What?
seen these online. I've seen them,
No, it's
like
weird.
there are some that have pretzels, like little pretzel chunks.
So they're like
in
getting on
them.
M&M's level with like
Yes.
M&M Crispies. Wow, I can't have peanut butter, but man, I think that would probably be the best option for the potato chip in it. That's incredible. Was there something else in there? Ooh, sunscreen!
Vacation!
So not only am I allergic to peanut butter, but I'm also allergic to fragrance that is like in shampoo and stuff. And in sunscreen, it makes my skin break out. So this is fragrance free. It was on our wish list. So thank you so much to those who are sending stuff to our wish list.
Thank you.
We appreciate it. Let's see what's in here. Rah! A lot of bubbles. Ooh, more sunscreen. This is great. We got some for like the shoulders and the body, and then we have this kind is the face. So it's a little more like higher SPF for the face. That's incredible. Thank you so much for the sunscreen. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
It also helps to make sure that I don't burn like I did on our very first Disney cruise. If you haven't watched that vlog, definitely check it out. In the very first few seconds of the video, you will see my burned skin. And now that won't happen this time because sunscreen.
What SPF is it? 30? Might need something a little higher than 30. They get more and more loud. And quieter.
Okay. Into this one.
Yeah.
Here are the skizzers. Don't cut towards yourself.
Oh, love it.
We're going slowly. So it's always funny when the tape with Amazon has like strings in it.
Yeah. What are these?
No idea.
Chips.
What? Oh my gosh. I think I might know what these are.
Drink happy thoughts.
Yeah! So
A
cute.
little thing to
Yeah, drink happy thoughts.
I don't know if you can see it.
With the reflection. That's so cute. I believe those were on our Amazon wish list.
Right.
That's so
I think they were.
cute. I wonder if these two are, these next two, I wonder if these next two are the same pattern or if they're different. They're different.
Tale as old as wine.
That's incredible. These glasses were a gift from Matthew Henry, so thank you so much, Matthew. We appreciate it. It's very thoughtful of you, and
Thank you.
we love them, and we will think of you every time we toast with these adorable Disney glasses. They're punny too, which I love. I love a good dad joke or a good pun. So that and Disney and drinking, like these are
What could be
my
better?
favorite things. Thank you so much, Matthew. I think we have one more left, right? The big one?
Yeah.
Big box.
And the postcard.
Before we do the last one, we have a postcard from France.
From David.
Thank you, David, for sending us a postcard all the way from France.
Merci.
Merci beaucoup. Don't cut towards yourself on the blog. Well, if you're gonna cut it, finish cutting it. Okay, we got it. Do you have any idea what this is? It says Bath and Body Works, so I don't have any clue. Plastic!
I want to read the
Okay.
description. It says description something something on the side of the box. So I
Okay.
don't want to.
There's two boxes, a small one and a big one.
I didn't mean to take the big one.
It's fine. He claimed it. Ooh, I see colorful. Bath and Body Works. Ooh, Rainbow Wave Scented Candle. Ooh. Oh, delish.
That smells so good. It smells like vacation. Like,
Yeah.
Like it's like fruity.
Yeah, we're lighting that right this moment. That's beautiful.
Oh, it's like candle. Like you put the candle
Oh,
on
cool.
here.
Oh, cool. Amazing. Wait, can we work with this one? Cute. It's a candle holder that's rainbow with hearts on it.
Look at this candle holder.
That's so cute. You all are so sweet. Thank you so much for the rainbow love and just all the love you sent us to our PO box today. We are so lucky, and your support really.
It looks like a chalice.
How dare you? You're so silly. Your support
Yes.
means a lot to us. Thank you so much, everybody.
All right, so since we talked last, we learned that we are going to Castaway Cay, Disney's private island, for the first time ever. We were actually supposed to go to Castaway Cay on our last cruise, but then a hurricane hit.
In the eye of a hurricane, there is quiet.
That's Hamilton. But we didn't get to go, so now we'll get to go for the first time, and we're very, very excited. I've seen a lot of like cute Instagrammable moments on the island, so stay tuned for those.
After our Zoom call with the Disney employees where they told us everything that they were allowed to tell us about the cruise, after that there was a press release that said there's actually a Marvel dining experience that involves Miss Marvel, Mrs. Marvel, Miss Marvel, I don't know, and Ant-Man and Captain America, and it's gonna be some screens stuff and also some live actors, so I'm so excited to see what that is. I don't really have any Marvel clothes to wear, but, we do! We got the Pride Marvel shirt. Yes, I'll wear that. Thank you to the person that sent us the Marvel Pride shirt to our PO box. Shirts, because we both have one. Now, we're privy to some like VIP information because we have a couple friends. Oh my gosh, the Mickey ears are perfectly placed. That's funny.
Well done.
We have a couple friends that are on board already creating the shows and the entertainment for the ship. So we've gotten a few insider details and maybe
Yeah.
some photos, maybe
Behind
not
the
some photos, who
scenes.
knows.
Yeah,
And-
no photos.
Yeah, we're so excited to see it all in person really soon.
And in the meantime, check out the Magic Mondays videos. You'll see some familiar costumes from our pirate night coming up.
Yes, go check out the first video of the series called Sucked into Disney Plus. We'll pop it up right now. We'll see you over there.